If you're a bird lover or a bird photographer in Hong Kong, you must meet the aviary in Hong Kong Park Central. Oh my god, low key. Wow. This is the entry of the Hong Kong Park, and the aviary will be inside the Hong Kong Park. Let's go. Fake bird, fake bird, fake bird, fake bird. Do we have a leaf or an escalator for this? What? No! Finally. Wow. Guys, we are inside the nest now. Hey bird! Hey! And the bird was like, F off. In this aviary, there's a total of 600 birds representing 80 species. How I know that? Just Googled it. The Youde Aviary has been open to public since 1992. It's the home for many endangered bird species. It created a similar habitat as a rainforest to prevent many rare species from extinction. Like all of the birds here are actually not afraid of people, so you can really see them at a pretty close distance. Yeah, two of them are looking at me. See? They're talking about me, like why is this girl like holding this small camera and talking shit to herself? Can I have the melon as well? Come on, let's battle. DJ drop the beat. Hi there. Is that bread? They have bread, they have fruit. Oh my god, they live a better life than me. It's pretty rare to find an aviary in a city center. Surrounded by all the skyscrapers in Central, the contrast between the hassle of the city and the peacefulness in the aviary is also something distinctive. The aviary is relatively less popular among tourists, but the best place for bird photographers. The area enclosed by the stainless steel mesh is about 3,000 square meters, with its highest point 30 meters above the valley floor. I feel like this huge mesh is protecting all the birds from the darkness, pollution, noise, and all the dark side of human outside. Some baby is going home.